Welcome back. I'm Grumpy No Friends, and today I'm going to show you how to cast from your Android device wirelessly to your Windows 10 PC or laptop. We have to manually go into the settings and to turn this feature back on, and this is how you do it. So first of all, we go over to the Start menu and we left click. We go over to Settings and we left click. We go over to Apps and left click. We go over to here where it says Apps and Features and we click on the optional features. What we're looking for is wireless display. So we scroll down the bottom. Do we see wireless display active? No. Okay, so we go all the way back to the top, click Add Features or Add Feature. Go all the way down to the bottom. Wireless display. So we check the box, which then opens the install. We left click and click on install. Here we see the wireless display is now installing onto our operating system. And we wait for the option where it says installed. So we now know this is now fully installed. So what we'll now see in the start menu, we should now see Connect as one of the apps. So we go back to the start menu. Connect is now one of the new apps. What I like to do is right click and pin to start menu. So we've got it here. If we left click to activate it, we'll be prompted for this window to start off with. There's not a lot of configuration that you can do in this part. So by pressing Control and S to Control and S, it basically just shows you what devices were connected, any previous devices were here, any devices that were blocked was there. This is not where you make the adjustments to the settings. That is done under projection, and I'll show you now. So what we want to do is we want to right click on our start menu and click on search, and we want to type project, and here we see projection settings. That's what we want to do. So we want to left click on projection settings, and here is where you make all the changes. So if you see at the top, project your Windows phone or PC to this screen and use its keyboard, mouse and other devices too. Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. So once we've configured this, we launch just the Connect app on both the PC and on your cell phone to make them talk to each other. So some of the features. Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's okay. So on the pull down menu, available everywhere on secure networks, available everywhere, always off, which is recommended. I'm fine with it being available everywhere. Ask to project to this PC. It's your own personal preference whether you want it to do the first time only or every time a connection is required. First time only is a good enough setting. Now you can actually set it so it requires a pin for the pairing. So never. So it won't do that. As soon as you press on connect, it'll connect for your cell phone to the PC. The first time, it'll prompt you one time. A PIN code will be displayed. You have to enter that PIN code in to be able to make the handshake and connect. And always means every single time. So I'm just going to click it as never. This PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged into a power source. I don't know what the problem with that is because I've never had it plugged into a power source, but it still works. I've got it turned on, and down the bottom here is the name of your PC is what's going to be projected. This is all the setup that's required to be done before we try and connect to the phone. So on my cell phone, you pull down the top once and then twice, and now to scroll over to the left once and see in the center it says Smart View. I left click on Smart View once. This will show all my wireless devices So gaming laptop to mirror the screen. Left click on the mirror screen. Click on Start Now. This will activate on your PC the screen, the Connect screen, and then you'll see your cell phone projected on the screen there. So if I go into my browser and start typing something like YouTube / GNF Geek Stuff, here you go, to my channel. So you've just seen me broadcasting from my cell phone to my laptop, and then using apps, games, features, anything you do from there. It's just going to mirror everything from your cell phone onto your laptop. Ideal for a recording, or if you wanted just to save some information, onto your PC. And to stop, disconnect it. You can go back in twice. Over to the once, just one left click. Blue screen will come up, and then no disconnect. Now, if you are going to set yourself a pin, this is the screen you would see. So we're going to click on Smart View again. And this time when we go click on the gaming laptop, you'll see on the screen we've got an 8-digit pin that comes up. So what we have to do is on our cell phone, we have to type in the same pin to match it. So 4 6 8 0 7 9 7 7, and then accept. As long as they both match, then the connection will be made. I hope you found this one helpful and interesting. I'm Grumpy No Friends. Please hit that like, leave me a comment, and if you like what I do, please consider subscribing.